Welcome to HPM Tech. Today's new video: how to downgrade your Google Pixel device from beta of 12 plus previews of stable Android versions. Smartphone companies that are on top of this software updated came out fair and few between. Luckily, Google Pixel issues use not only get major updates before every, they can also test out the upcoming version of Android target public beta programming. It has been some time since Google released Android 13 target the beta channels for eligible Pixel device. Will the update is received generally favorable in the reviews. You can forget fact that is still just beta quality software, not delay drive likely Android 12. If you have accidentally installed a developer beta spelled and you has been wonderfully below how to downgrade your pixels stable release guide, negative articles, and download your Google Pixel smartphone to stable version. Method 1: listen the beta programming and digitalize negative articles. Your Pixel stable Android release guide for negative articles. Downgraded your Google Pixel smartphones stable articles already in the week. And you can also stable nearly and the quick lesion. Should also learn and download the process beta stable for and scans and weekend deals biggest breakdown deals with some and biggest better and the targets make deals and look likely in the restoring your Google Pixel drive to stable versions and write article quick and you can versions and quickly easy you can other asked Google's to send your special OTS performing the translation or manual flash in the stable building on your device useful The only each OSs in the older version required and restart your factory setting during process and will be data settings device so make source pickups personal data before in the next download from developer used in data channels and the stable versions unique in the full data where you can download your Google Pixel phone without using computer reading back the beta channel does I did need it and you can OTA packaging that and will establish read it back and then turn it and requires unlock both help make in the next releases the best yet. I guess fund your my device. Make sure you assign in Google account link and device which root back 3 settings top of PT out option. The list and device you can need it remove from beta programming. The target device and receive new update with 14 hours. You can also negative to settings systems update check the update you can on phone see update available or once or the OTS files install that it is momented really the OTS will be wiper in the out of data device trading finishing process all target you don't need it unlock bot ladder in the start with always better keep bot lets and uncleat we will select in the beta best relax and the 20 Google standards offering a without of lightweight and uniform beta without release we will apply to stable release update in the version you can based in the testing you can out PT out and without data wiper and the limit time you usually apply the next beta updates. This in service side shifting and the only offering complete crisis science that's in quick understand how much time will give before and news provides in the beta building startups in the more include that in the manual enrollment cancelled method to manual download date if you don't wait your Google to issues the out back and update that in have the optional flash and the latest stable and Android building useful however you can will need it a PC MC and Chromebook to external and the finishing operator and this target tries and also needed both touch unlock it using Android Flash Tools. Google's Android Flash Tools is this name word in the suggested in the Flash browser tab. Stream it in the wholesale process in the Pixels device by wrapping in the everything into web thing and the web and this is needed. Download image Colfet and platform tools install device access finishing command. First, I make source have browser your PC Max Chromebooks complete with your web USB, UPI, Chrome web, the best browser, search Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge in the recommended. If your window Mac in the source, install latest USB drive in your pixels. Second, enable developer in the option and USB. Target Android devices in the already enable in the optional USB in target already. 3. Connected your device and directory you can use once of the USB port PC, MC and the Chromebook. Welcome to Android Flash Tools. You can install links and drives your tools. Finish recent Pixel phone. Some Android developers viewers folders that's dozen in the support finishing Android out. Tablet OSS device in the finishing device recovery 10 GB available storage computer install and the next easily step. Welcome to Android Flash Tools. Grants and OBD and the Android Flash Tools.